Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draft your shirt collar and lapel together and not separately. This makes sewing life much easier. So start with me. So I'm just drafting my front basic body pattern on a full scale. I'm going to be going out by an extension of 1 inch for my buttonholes and also to form my overlap. I'm going to be connecting that and stopping at where I want my collar to overlap with each other. And at this point, I'm going to be connecting my neckline to the overlap point I already made. Now, where I have marked my diagonal line, I'm now folding on that point, and I'll also be attaching an extra piece of paper so as to extend my bodice pattern, because we also need to make our collar. You'll be taping that down securely. Next up, I'm just going to be tracing my shoulder. You can see me tracing my shoulder. You can use a tracing wheel. It makes it so much easier for you to see the dots at the other side. Once I've traced that out, I turn it back and I mark my point. So from my shoulder point, which is my neckline, I'm coming down by 10 cm. And I'll also trace that so it can also appear at the back, because I'll also be needing it there. So you trace that, it appears at the back, and you mark your points. I'll be making a right angle on this particular point. And on the line I just made, sorry, I'm going to be marking 7 cm on that point. So yeah, I lost some footage. You can see here on that 7 cm point, I connected it back to my overlap point, and also that 7 cm I divided into two, marking the midpoint and extending it by an angle. You can pause to catch up if you're not following. So on that shoulder point I already traced, I'm going to be placing 7.5 inches, and with a broken line I'll be connecting it down to the angle I made. But on that 7.5 inches, I'm going to be going in back by 0.5 cm. Sorry, 7.5 cm. Now I'm going to be measuring half of my back neck width, and I'll be placing it above that shoulder line. So whatever you get, you're going to be placing it from that shoulder line upwards. So I got 10 inches and I'm placing 10 cm, sorry, and I'm placing 10 cm. So you extend that out and you square that back to the line, to your shoulder line. So my camera actually cuts here, and I'll be redirecting you on how to cut it. This is how your pattern should be. You're going to be cutting according to how you see my line move. You're going to start from the end point of our back pattern and cut downwards until you get to the overlap extension, and then you cut straight down. This is meant to be your basic pattern. Remember to cut out the notch. And then we are not done. For the back neck width, we are going to be slashing and spreading to give it a more fuller look. So I'm going to be slashing it into 5 pieces. Try to cut to the point of the line, but not like through it. With that, I'm going to be placing a paper underneath, and I'll be spreading it by 0.25 inches. Please remember that right now I'm talking in both inches and cm. For now, we're going to be spreading in 0.25 inches. Once you have that down, you just retrace your back collar and then cut out the excess paper. This is how your lapel and collar should be looking. This method is actually very easy. You don't need to cut two pieces. You can see the back and the front meet up seamlessly, and also remember our back neckline also joins accordingly. If you want to see a video on how to create a complete outfit with this, please tell me in the comment section. This is how you should be cutting. You'll be cutting two pieces, and this is basically it. Very simple and straightforward. I hope you enjoyed and you got something from it. Please, if you like this, please like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Check out some other of my videos.